Hi, how are you? I'm now inside the jungle. I'm come and watching the Tacca flower. I look around the area to just searching Tacca flowers. I know here is very much of Tacca flower growing. I have been here before. See, there was one already, but no blooming yet, no bloom yet. This is a tropical jungle, rainforest. It's very humidity. I see the soil also wet, very wet, and humidity. I'm feeling very cold, cooling here. The weather is cold. Oh, there's a lot here. As you can see, they look very healthy. You see the leaf, so healthy, so good, man. Oh wow, so nice. Wow, there are so many growing here. They like to growing on the area, such location like stream site, because they can absorb the humid from the water here. See, this is a stream, something like that. It's a valley, small valley. Anyway, it's a wet location. Okay, but no flower, no bloom yet. Oh, there's I see the fresh leaf also. See, fresh leaf look very tender, very good. Okay, let's keep. I found here also have one Tacca, but there are no flower yet. I see also here have one, but no flower. Anyway, I just searching. I think this is one of the wild orchid, right? I don't know the name, but this is a wild orchid. I think so. I have been go to internet. I found this is a wild orchid. Wild orchid. I see they also have one. Here also have one. Okay. This is a I see the palm tree around here. They are so wet here. I feel the humidity very high here. This Tacca is like to grow, near the stream and the shade, under the tree shade. I see here also got one wildflower. I think so. I think this is a wildflower. But someone maybe can tell me. I don't know. Maybe. I see. This is a rainforest jungle. So wet, so humidity, so cool. You can feel the fresh here. Oh, there's a lot of fern tree. A lot of fern. Oh yeah, I saw one Tacca blooming. Oh yeah, yes, yeah. This is white color one. Normally I see is dark purple, but this is this is white color. Oh, awesome, amazing, so nice. I'm lucky to see one. Wow. Oh my God. I'm lucky today. At least I saw one blooming. of Tacca. This is a very rare species of flower. I had checking internet. China, I don't know when there was a flower show. This Tacca has been awarded a prize. This is a protected plant in China, but in Malaysia, I don't think so. I see jungle in the wet area under the tree shade, and you found humidity area, you will see a lot. It's good, nice. See, wow, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, very good, beautiful, amazing, beautiful, really good. I'm very lucky. I got it one only. Oh no. Come on. This is the only ice. Today only I saw one blowing. See? The mustache. Some people call it tiger mustache. I don't know. Because it's look like tiger mustache. Yeah? This is a very wonderful, very rare plant. It's very, very good. So nice. I see the leaf also, leaf also so healthy. See, green, fresh, so nice, so good, really nice, really good. So good. See, look at it. This is a protected plant in some country, but I don't know whether Malaysia government is protect them or not. There are so many in the tropical forest and rainforest. There are so many, but this one is a very light color. It's something like green or white. Normally I see the others is purple color. This is very light green. It's nearly to white color. It's nice. It's nice, very nice. Very nice. I see the area here. So nearby this plant, there was a palm tree. And this is a jungle. It's under density shade. You can't get a direct sunlight. So this Tacca is likely to grow in this kind of environment. Really good. I like very much. Let me Okay. Thank you for watching. I'm Zhao Seki from Kepong, Malaysia. Bye bye. Good luck to you all.